Today I am unboxing something from Dior. Okay, so I'm traveling soon, so I'm buying this. So I bought this. I'm gonna get some tax back on my way out. So this is the receipt they put in this bag. And then they gave me this nice, one of the Dior magazines. This is Dior magazine number 38, which is really nice. I flicked through it briefly, and it tells you a little bit about the newly renovated 30 Montaigne in Paris. So I'm looking forward to going there at some point, hopefully next year. So it's really nice. Coffee table book. Okay, so the goodie is in here. Textures for Dior and wrapping is so nice, as many of you might know. Okay, ready? Gonna unbox it. So shiny. Okay, I'll do this. Okay. I was expecting another box, like a flatter box, but it smells like, it's like they sprayed everything with perfume. I don't know which one, but everything smells really nice. Okay, it's in here, I can see it. Don't need to peel the sticker. It's just laid in egg. So you might recognize what it is. Can you tell what it is yet? It is a scarf. This is a silk scarf. It's 90 by 90, and it has the popular Toile de Jouy pattern. So this is like a grey, like a dark grey on like a white or an ivory. And then it has the Christian DIOR, the plastered at the bottom. The tag. And it has the animals. There's a tiger. There's the lion wrestling a serpent. There's a monkey. There's another type of monkey. Trees, branches. So I really like this sketchy effect of this pattern. And I actually went to the store to buy another scarf that I had seen online. When I got there, it was still really nice, but the color didn't work for me if I were to wear it near my face. And I ended up buying this, which is really unexpected. So I need to practice playing around with the scarf, but it's very versatile if you have a nice piece of fabric like this, and you can wear it on your head, you can wear it around your neck. I'm going to craft it as a top, not in this video, but I'm going to get creative. But let's have a quick look to see what it's like this. So this is a bit old school to wear it like this, obviously. I'm going to take it with me on my trip. And if I'm in a topless car, I can wrap around my head and contain my hair. Like the old school. I have no idea how I look right now. But yeah, I think it's nice when it's kind of gathered. So when you look for a scarf, you want to make sure you like it when it's bunched up like this, because hardly ever do you just kind of see it flat, unless you're kind of putting it up as a piece of artwork. You might frame it. But yeah, I think the grey is quite elegant and timeless. It's kind of like a grey scale, it is grey, picture. And I like the sketchy effect. Yeah, so my unexpected purchase. for my trip, and I might even end up buying more stuff on my trip. Who knows? Hopefully I'll find some good stuff. But yeah, that's my lovely new scarf from Dior. What do you think? You want to see me do stuff with this scarf? Let me know in the comments. Styling wise, I'll see how I go. But yeah, thanks for watching.